Oh man, I'm stuck. Oh, can't turn around. What kind of hellscape is this? Hey, I make this look easy.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Padme? Having troubles? Man, you're a doofus. Yeah, this CATIO's pretty plush. Pretty fancy. I can get used to this. Ah, it's go time. Go time! I'm outside. Now I'm inside. Oh yeah. Slick. Now I'm back outside.
Binksy and Padme are originally outdoor cats, but we made them inside cats because of the local wildlife. We just want to keep them safe inside the CATIO, so it's a happy medium. We will be adding to the CATIO, so make sure to subscribe so you can keep up to date with what we have planned.
Not gonna lie to you. I'm starting to feel like chickens in here. Gotta do the bok, 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 bok. I feel like a chicken. Chicken cat. Padme, do a chicken sound. Bok, 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 bok. Yeah, that's pretty good. We got chickens.
You locked me in here with this guy? Ugh.
The CATIO is undercover, so they will stay dry when it rains, which is a bonus added feature. And considering how much they pay for rent, that's right, Binksy, we're talking about you.
Hey, our cuteness covers more than enough. Meh, rubbish.
And you, Padme. That's right. Gotta start paying your way around here pretty soon.
Hey, thanks for this CATIO. Let me give you some kisses. Mwah, mwah.
See, I feel bad now. Okay, you can stay around.